How to download Snapchat videos without Watermark. And the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, access your Snapchat account and make sure that you log into your account. Now head over to the specific video that you wanted to be downloaded without the watermark in it. So say for example, this video. What you want to do from here is just to select the share icon and just go ahead and copy the video URL. Now just head over to your phone home page and just pull out or open up any preferred web browser that you can use. On your search bar, just simply type in Snapchat video downloader. And then just choose on the third option. And then here you can just simply tap and hold to paste your URL and just have to download it and it will automatically post it on your gallery without the watermark. And that's how easy you can go ahead and download Snapchat videos without watermark.